This is the Tokyo60. It's a popular happy hacking keyboard style kit, designed by Tokyo Keyboard and brought to you by Drop. The case is a two-piece aluminum design, with the plate being an integrated plate. As you all know, I personally can't live without my arrow keys, but I have a few friends that swear by the HHKB layout, so I was super excited when the Drop team wanted to send me a Tokyo60 to build and try out. Thanks Drop team. This kit currently goes for $160 on drop.com, and it comes with a hot swap PCB, stabilizers, and a cable. It also comes in a few different color options, so I'll drop a link in the comments if you want to check the colors out. Before we dive into the rest of the parts, you'll see me here just admiring the PCB, as it was one of the coolest looking PCBs I've ever seen. The PCB also has underglow RGB LED, so if you want, you can purchase the acrylic diffuser for $12 to add a little RGB to your case. The keycaps from this build will also be from Drop. It's a set of black on white keycaps in the MT3 profile, which are double shot ABS keycaps with a nice texture. I personally find MT3 profile keycaps to be easier to type on than SA profile keycaps, while still providing the wooden block-like sound that a lot of people love from tall keycaps. Due to the integrated plate, I've seen a couple reports of some pinging noises, so I'll be using some KBD Fans modular plate foam to try to minimize that ping. The kit came with PCB mount cherry style stabilizers, but I had some C3 stabs left over in a bunch of random colors, so I decided to use those instead. Here you'll see me adding some O-rings to the standoffs to eliminate any rattling that could come from the PCB on metal, but to be honest, I'm not too sure if it did much. The assembly steps are pretty straightforward. Like most hot swap PCBs, the PCB screws onto standoffs, and you basically just screw the bottom housing, top housing, and the optional acrylic diffuser together, and you have a keyboard. For switches, I'm picking BoW U4T tactile switches, as I felt that the aluminum plate called for a nice tactile switch. And we're going to top them off with the black on white MT3 keycaps. And let's see how it sounds.